Oh, rear steer, you failed me.
I know last time in here, people were in those like a doctor.
Dude, this thing makes this shit a breeze now. 3-foot turning circle to 16 inches.
When I put really stew on my truggy, I got like a 3-inch stone.
They are RC 4-wheel drive Mudslinger 2.2 XLs. Are the biggest 2.2 you can find. And then I cut the foams way down so it's acting like there's no foam at all. Oh. See, now that I've probably got rear steer, I might be able to actually do this bit. Ah! I need to get some adjustable links for the rear. I just used the stock turning piece because it's all I had available. Yeah. Yeah, I built this to crawl over at Boneyard. So stuff like this is nothing for this thing. But there you've got like 6-inch inclines to get up and it's damn near impossible. Unless you're willing to spend, what do I got in this thing now? 1,600 bucks?
About what I got in the Broncos.
You run a brush or brushless?
Brush now. I had brushless in it at RC Fest.
I had a...
But ever since I got the Sinton running, I needed that speaking color for the Sinton.
Yeah. Oh, that's dirty. That panel gap there. I gotta love these tires though.
Dragging a wheel.
Yep. No.
Stuck down.
No. What do you think? Like a little better? Yeah, different. Yeah. That's pain. Got the worn hubs in the front. You keep that wheel. You make it crab too.
No, not yet. I'm wanting to. I need a new receiver for it.
So now they just steer the same direction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now it's just Y harnessed in, and then I have that sitting on the opposite side so that it'll turn the way it needs to turn. Which unfortunately,
Oh, that'd be a pain in the ass on certain things, have them all.
well, the problem is I don't have a screw adjustment on this rear one like I do on the front. So I just have this plastic piece right there to hold it all together for now. I've got on order the same incision front so I can outscrew those eyelets and try to do an alignment to it. Vanquish axles, and then I had to get the steel Vanquish knuckles. Come on, there you go. A little higher. Oh, my G.I. Joe dude's falling out.
You typically pop gates before you go into it. So, kind of being good. Yes.
Oh, hell yeah. No, no, no. You I had so much success, you brutal jackass.
Hey, I built that a certain way. If you can get the wheel child to hook on the inside and come up it at an angle,
Yeah.
you'll make it every time. When you build something a certain way, there's little things you do for people that can figure something out to make it where they can do it easily. But everyone else gets mad at it, so it's kind of fun. That worked there.
Well, that was great. Come on. Get hung up on the bottom.
Is that Bubba in there?
What?
Is that Bubba hanging on to the steering wheel?
Pretty much, yeah. Little G.I.
Last name? Motocross racer?
No, that's an old
Oh.
G.I. Joe I had.
Oh, okay. Looks like a motorcycle racer, like you got the absentee.
No. It's 2 wheels for an out, right?
Like if you touch 2 wheels on the perimeter, it's considered an out of bounds.
All right. I put 1 wheel up on perimeter to get around.
There you go. Almost had it. And I put
There's a gate.
to make it even more cool.
Now we can bump them, we just can't.
Yeah, you can't touch the gate.
Does even better on the off-road course. Now that I actually have all three diffs. I'm hitting the small jumps. She ain't revving like you should. Didn't I say I was gonna keep this body nice?